how I made over $5,000 with TEMU. I'm going to explain because it's something really simple that anyone can do. First of all, here is the platform. This is what I've earned. This is in Colombian pesos because that's where I'm currently located. But if we convert this to dollars, here we can see it's $5,026. It's money that I can withdraw directly to PayPal. As you see here, I can withdraw it to TEMU credit to buy things within the app. Well, I personally have already been using it, but anyway, I'm going to show you how to generate this money. What can you do? And also, invite you to join this affiliate program. So first of all, when you register, I'll leave the link in the video description. You'll see some commissions that appear where these commissions are available, which is in more than 80 countries, specifically 82. So there's Carmen in Australia, Azerbaijan, Albania, Algeria. Well, there are many. You can take a look. I'll show you briefly which countries are included. Ecuador, Estonia, France, Germany, Guatemala, Iceland. Obviously, there's the United States, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malaysia, Mexico, Morocco, Netherlands. Well, all the countries you see here are available. And what can you do? Well, simply share links with your family, friends, or mainly through social media. And how do you do it? For example, here I have this option, which is 400,000 Colombian pesos in coupons that people who register with my link can take advantage of. So I can share this. I send them this text. And if people register with this link, they will have this amount of money in coupons, which is approximately, let's put it here, $90, $92 more or less, that they can use for discounts. I can also share the link here for completely free gifts. So I'm going to share it, and here are free gifts from TEMU that people can get. A 30% discount, let's say exclusive discounts, save a lot or directly. There's the section that I'm going to show you now, which is the influencer section. What you can do is if you have an account on different social networks, for example, YouTube, Instagram, and log in, you can earn quite a bit of money just by logging in and also by making posts. So you can make a video post on your Instagram or on your TikTok, and little by little you start earning money, as you can see here, just by posting. It doesn't matter, not even if they buy with your link or anything. Obviously, you leave your link to earn more money, but just by making posts, publishing that. Let's go here to invite to earn. You make posts about this, and as you go up, they practically give you money. I mean, it's very simple and easy to use these options that appear here. Then there's the option I'm doing in this video, which is inviting people. So I can invite you, and what I do is if you register and have more than 1,000 followers on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, I can receive an amount of money that appears here. This changes depending on the country you're in, and this program is fully available in 22 countries listed here. So I can invite you, and if you register and have this number of followers, look, I get these bonuses in Colombian pesos. I remind you again, but if you, for example, are in the United States, Argentina, Mexico, Chile, etc., you will generate a different amount of money. Locally, of course. So if you're in the United States and create an account there, you will earn in dollars. If you create it in Chile, you will earn in Chilean pesos. If you create it in Ecuador, then also in dollars. And so on. Look, here it shows, for example, if someone registers with my link and connects their TikTok account, and they have between 10,000 to 50,000 followers and more than 500 views, I earn $10, and so on. So, it's like an option that allows you to earn money consistently. There are many options, and as a last option, there's another one which is simply sharing products. Let's say there are many accounts on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook that share discounts. So, it's about finding products that have a very good price, and what you do is share the link. So let's say you want to share the link of this machine that appears here. Then you click share, and here you share the link on some site, or with your friends or colleagues or family. And if they buy using your link, you earn a commission of up to this amount of money. But as I tell you, this changes depending on the site where you are located. And well, you can earn commissions in all these ways. For example, here as well. When you register, you can share links and see that you can earn here a commission if people download the application. Then, also another commission for each order that people make. And that's how little by little I've been earning this amount of money that appears here. And besides, you can enter certain races. In each country, there are races. So what you do is compete with other people, and if you generate more than they do, they give you money. I mean, literally, there's money everywhere here, or if not, there's also a referral race where you gradually earn money based on the number of people who go buying with your link or have downloaded the application with your link, and little by little, it goes up in level. And the higher the level you reach, the more money you can earn.